TinyTask claims to be the ultimate free automation tool for PC users, but does it really deliver on that promise? Today we're diving into the features, usability, and whether this tool is worth your time. TinyTask is designed to simplify repetitive tasks on your PC by recording your actions and allowing you to replay them with just a click. It's lightweight and straightforward, making it accessible for beginners who want to automate mundane activities like form filling or repetitive clicks. Right from the start, the interface feels minimalistic, which can be both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, it's easy to navigate, but on the other, I found myself wishing for more detailed guidance on how to get the most out of its features. The recording function captures mouse movements and keystrokes seamlessly, and it allows for quick playback, which is impressive for a free tool. However, it lacks advanced features that seasoned users might expect, like scheduling or more complex macro capabilities. Overall, TinyTask feels like a solid starter tool, but it might leave power users wanting more. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, TinyTask is completely free, which is a huge win for anyone looking to dip their toes into automation without spending a dime. The simplicity of the interface is definitely refreshing, and it's easy to get started with basic tasks. On the downside though, it does have limitations. There's no cloud support or advanced scripting options, which could frustrate users looking for more robust automation solutions. Additionally, the lack of detailed documentation means you might have to experiment a bit to figure things out. In terms of trust, while the tool seems reliable, it's worth noting that it's not widely discussed in the automation community, which raises some questions about its long-term viability. If you're a casual user, TinyTask could be a good fit, but more advanced users may want to explore alternatives that offer deeper functionality. In conclusion, TinyTask is a decent option for beginners who want to automate simple tasks without any cost. However, if you're looking for more advanced features and flexibility, you might want to consider other tools. Overall, it's worth trying out, but set your expectations accordingly. Happy automating!